friend of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll scroll down and choose password and biometrics. Then click on set privacy password and tap on use a different password type. Then select one of those login methods for your apps. I'll go with pattern, enter it and repeat it. Following that, you need to answer this security question and enter your recovery email. And then click on this check mark at the top right corner. You can also just tap on this question and tap on one of those to select it, or even choose custom question and create your own. Save it by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner and remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, click at the top right corner over here and finally click on App Lock. Then you can click on the switcher next to all of your apps that you wish to lock, in my case Booking.com. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, I can also select use to use my app data, my face data as well, to unlock my apps. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, click home button, and now when I try to access Booking, as you can see, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!